Okay, friends, I'm back with another video, and today we're going to talk about a topic that's probably on a lot of your minds, credit scores. Specifically, we're going to tackle the question, can I check my TransUnion credit report for free? Now, I know what you're thinking. Credit reports are important, right? They play a huge role in determining whether you can get a loan, a credit card, or even an apartment. But they're also often shrouded in mystery, and it can be tough to know where to start. So, let's dive into this and see what we can find out. The importance of credit reports. Before we get into the free options, let's talk a bit about why credit reports are so important. Think of them like your financial report card. They give lenders a snapshot of your borrowing history, how responsible you've been with debt, and how likely you are to repay a loan. Here's a breakdown of what's typically included in a credit report. Personal information, your name, address, social security number, and birth date. Credit accounts, a list of all your credit cards, loans, and other accounts. Payment history, information on how well you've made your payments on time. Credit inquiries, a record of any companies that have recently checked your credit report. Knowing this information can help you make informed decisions about your finances. For example, if you see any errors on your report, you can dispute them and get them corrected. You can also track your credit score over time and see how it's improving. So, can I check my TransUnion credit report for free? The short answer is yes. There are a few ways to get your TransUnion credit report for free. Annualcreditreport.com. This is the official website for getting your free credit reports from all three major credit bureaus, TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian. You're entitled to one free report from each bureau every 12 months. Your credit card company. Many credit card companies offer free access to your TransUnion credit report as a perk of being a customer. Check with your credit card issuer to see if they offer this service. Certain websites and apps. There are a number of websites and apps that offer free credit scores and basic credit reports. However, be careful when using these services, as some may require you to sign up for paid subscriptions or share your personal information. How to check your TransUnion credit report for free. Now that you know your options, let's go through the steps of checking your TransUnion credit report for free. Visit annualcreditreport.com. Go to the website and click on the Get Your Free Credit Report button. Enter your personal information. You'll need to provide your name, social security number, and date of birth. Verify your identity. You'll be asked to answer a few security questions to verify your identity. Choose your credit bureau. You can get a free report from TransUnion, Equifax, or Experian. Review your report. Once you've received your report, take some time to review it carefully. Look for any errors or inaccuracies. What to do after you get your credit report. Once you have your credit report, there are a few things you can do. Check for errors. Look for any mistakes on your report, such as incorrect payment information or outdated accounts. If you find any errors, dispute them with the credit bureau. Monitor your credit score. Keep track of your credit score over time to see how it's changing. There are a number of free and paid credit monitoring services available. Improve your credit score. If your credit score is low, there are a number of things you can do to improve it, such as paying your bills on time, keeping your credit card balances low, and not applying for too much credit at once. Checking your TransUnion credit report for free is a great way to stay on top of your finances. It can help you identify errors, monitor your credit score, and make informed decisions about your borrowing. So, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and check your credit report today. And with that, I'm going to wrap up this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more financial tips and advice. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.